In front of me is TCL 20 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select System, and here click on Backup. And now you need to activate Google Backup by using this switcher, and click on Account to add your backup account. At first, provide your email address or phone number, and click on Next then. And now it's time to provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. Here it is, and then click on Next. Here you've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. Tap on I agree to confirm your selection, tap on More, and Accept to also confirm the selection of Google services. And that's it. You've just activated Google Backup in your TCL, and as you can see, as it's listed here, your backup includes apps and app data, call history, contacts, device settings, and messages. Tap on OK to finish the whole operation, and that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.